We're going to be talking about my begonia tanks this time. Both of my begonia tanks, they've been going now. This one's been going for over a year, but we have a new style going on with the cups and then the singular cups with each plant in it. Doing pretty good. The only thing is that I'm finding they're drying out a little bit too fast, but I do have a micro fan in here. So I'm going to turn this off. I should be only keeping it on the day I water, just in case any water droplets get on. Absolutely beautiful. Every time I come in here, it's just a boost of serotonin. All right, so this girl right here is a galaxy cutting, and it's not doing good. So I chopped it. I put it into some moss. It's not taking very well, but I feel like that's a new leaf that's coming. So maybe, fingers crossed. It's already wet though. This is a goner. Don't remember what was in here. We're not going to worry about that. All right, the red spotted begonia is growing out of the terrarium. It's growing out of here. It's getting very tall. Oh, you lost a leaf. That's sad. But it's growing very well. So love to see that. Needs some water. Where am I? Rainwater on deck. These begonias only get rainwater. They don't get anything else. Nothing else. You can't give them nothing else, because if you do, it better be filtered water. It better be bought water. You know that Fiji water? You're going to have to spend $5 for a bottle of Fiji just to keep your begonias alive. So rainwater for these babies only, with a little bit of fertilizer. Oh my God, that Sarah Draco is doing so good. The color looks insane. I'm going to bring you in closer too, so give me a second. Oh, too much water. So what I'm going to do right now is we're going to just go through everybody. We're going to water. We're going to make sure everybody's doing okay, and a little update. Come on. Let's get in here. So you need some water. You need some water, a little bit of water. Let's look at this cutie pie, because this one was struggling for a long time. Now you see it better. Yes. The kiwi. Meh. Meh. Not doing so hot. Just a good mist down. This guy here, metallic dragon, could be doing better, but it always wants to struggle. So do it on your own time. Not with me, please. I don't got the time for it. This guy I thought was going to be a success. Total fail. Total fail. What even happened? Garbage. That's what happened. The Yamor, I don't know. He wants to be alive, but then it seems like he doesn't. But we're going to keep giving him his time to figure it out in here. It's such a cool plant, but the back leaves, we got to snip them off. They're not doing it justice. Much better. 3-leafer. You got water. I'll put you on this side for now. Gold green. Getting bigger. Water. Nice drench. This taco nut is getting huge. All right. The B2 begonia needs a repot. It is in a very small cup. The roots, they are rooting. Look at those roots. Try to get in here and water. Having the begonias like this is nice and all. It's cool. Looks awesome, right? But there's no space. And to water is a little bit of an itch, but they're happy. So to change their system, it's not going to work. Make sure everybody's got some agua. I do have some doubles in here that I'm going to take with me to the plant swap. So if anyone is interested in doing a trade, that would be great. I'm going to actually post some. What are we doing here? Oh, we're rooted. What are you? Are you a taco? I think this is a taco baby. Look, there's actually roots in there. Can you see them? Oh, why couldn't you do that for my other one? That's crazy. That's messed up. See, like I have so many of these guys. It's taken over. Let's get this going. Back in here. Back in place. Back in place. Everybody chop. Oh, what happened here? Dead leaf. Cool. All right, we're going to put you back here. We're going to take you. We'll put you here. We're going to take you. We're going to put you here. We're going to show you off. Look at you. Oh, where's my other guy? What is it? No, wait, we're good. Okay. This one's got to go as well. Like, what's happening here? This guy needs light though. So hold on. Maybe we won't. Oh, get your butt in here now. Don't embarrass me like that. Thank you. We'll put this one down here. Perfect. Let's close them up. This one is a lot more harder to show you because it's in front of my couch. And so I got to show you from the side. All right. So here we go. This is currently 98% humid in here. I have space for one more jar, and I just so happen to have this one. So we're going to plop this guy here. Everybody needs water in here is what it looks like. So look at this taco night. Huge. Clearly needs to be in a pot. Do you have a hole? No, you don't. Perfect. You need some support though. But it does such a good job at filling out this tank. Look at this listada. Doing so nice. You're still pretty moist. Is everybody moist in here? This is why I need to be having the fan off. Because look at this guy. Dude, you taking over wants a bigger cup. Clearly very dried out as well. Wow. Look at this monster. All right, let me put you here for a second. Another one. All right, this is where it gets overwhelming because here is the main listada. All right, and I took already 2 cuttings from this guy and Still doing this thing. Do you have a hole in bottom? You do. Gosh, this girl. What was, you're reaching. You're reaching. Save me. Quiet. You'll be fine. Wait, leaf down. Maybe I'll put you in here. I think I have a Begonia mint. It was a little baby. Here we have Sarah Draco, whichever. I think it's Sarah Draco. You're doing pretty good. I need another bottle. Careful. My Ginny Galaxy. This is my main one. Already has given me a new leaf. A new, what do you call it? A new stem coming out. Yes, I lost her. I'm totally losing some leaves though here. What's happening here? Melted. Not cool. I want to give her some attention. Wait, you're too close to the door. Let's put you back. Wait, we're not done watering. Can we focus? Totally losing focus. The good thing about these little wash bottles is that they have like a straight shot stream. Say that 3 times. And so I'm able to get in the cups without wetting other leaves. Sometimes it can happen, sometimes, but for the most part, I'm pretty good. Look at you. You look real nice. The Lasada is definitely one of my faves. All right, we're going to tuck you in another way because what's going on? Just stay in the back. Excuse me. Fill up that spot and stay there. Like that. Look how pretty you look. Right. You, however, what happened here? You are too wet. Sometimes you have to be careful with how you water too, because you have a drainage hole. So what's actually happening? You're rotting out. Whatever. Don't care. Look at this little baby. Hi-yo. Look at, so tiny. Oh, you're pretty wet still, so we're not going to bother you. Let's put these guys back in their places. This one's going to be a pain in the butt because I want to do the same thing to you. Just tuck yourself in. And this other guy, we'll tuck him. You see? Just get it together. And then you, and we'll put you over here. Say peekaboo. You guys are my little babies. Is everybody happy in here? We look happy. We look healthy. We look like we're surviving, especially this one. This one's actually doing pretty good. It's not as cluttered, so it's still doing its thing. What's happening here? You look very unhappy. This tank could use a fan, to be honest, because I think things are staying too moist in here and it's causing things to rot out. So we might go with the fan. Who are you? Oh, right. We just tucked you in. All right. We're good. Tank number 2, done.